Oh, that's it?
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. See, I was thinking it was going to be like 6 inches long or something.
No. I put 6 inches. I put half a bottle, which in this bottle is 5 yards.
Are you serious?
I put in 2.5 yards before.
In me?
No.
Not you.
Oh, I thought you meant it like
Hey,
shrunk or
that's all it
something.
was. That's what I told you. It's a tiny little thing.
Why is it still pussy?
Because it's infected still.
It does look a lot better though.
Okay. That was like a hole in my arm. It's like a hole in my. Oh my god. Okay. That hurts so bad. Oh shit.
Tasty.
I'm not extra than nurse. That was a.
Okay, so that's like a lot less pus than there was. Okay.
Rapid response. So I didn't drop previously, so the 2 sets. One set from 2 sets the same time from the same syringe. I think the nurse ordered and wanted was an pneumonia like treatment. Exactly.
Oh, it came
So
out.
they finally ordered it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Fuck.
I gotta put it back in.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So it doesn't need to be cleaned out or anything? Okay. I shouldn't.
Such a big girl. You're so brave.
I'm sweating again. I keep sweating every time you do this. Should I come back in a couple days again, or what? Like, am I gonna have to get this repacked?
Yeah, probably one more time.
Okay. Now, how does it heal? No stitches.
Right. Once the packing is done, it'll heal from the inside out.
So it's just a hole that I leave there.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
They
Get
were
a
in
closer
there, but
call.